Hi, I'm glad you could join me today. Hopefully this is about 11, no, 10:55. I hope you find yourself a nice quiet corner. Hey, Mum and Dad, go away. He needs to work for the next 50 minutes with me, and then a further 50 minutes with his next lesson. So let's get started. So the process will be basically you'll come to your class page. I'll post something in the forum, which will be usually a video like this one that I have prepared. So you'll be doing several things today, including the most important thing, and that's marking your attendance. So to get to this video that I'm producing, you click here, info trial lesson. I won't click it now because I don't want to go there. So once you've done that, you'll be listening to me, showing you that the first thing you need to do is go to attendance, where you'll tick yourself off. Of course, I haven't got anything here today because it's a trial lesson, but in the future there will be a where you could place a tick. Um, Once we've done that, it should get back to. Let's go back one. Dear. See if that works. Yeah. So I need you to do one task today, and that is to do your work habits. So you'll press on your work habits. It's a again, yours should produce a rubric like this, whereby you will assess yourself as whether you're one of these types of learners, and by clicking on for both effort, behavior, organization, and work. And then what will normally happen? I mean, normally that would be just simply attendance, and then you'll go to the lesson, and then the forum will state which lesson we will be up to. So today we're doing lesson one. So clicking on lesson one will take you to the lesson one page. And there we'll have our learning intentions. So by the end of this session today, as remember, we're just trialing. I would like to make sure that you have marked your attendance, something you'll need to do every time. Should we be closed in term two? Like I said, I'd like you to do that work habit today. And now I need you to watch these two videos below me. The first one is the one that you really need to watch because that's basically all we need you to do is balance the equation. If you want extra guidance, though, this is a little bit more complicated because it actually writes the formulas as well. Remember, we will be given those. And then finally, you can learn to use the Fit Colorado. And for that, you just basically click on this link here. Um, by the way, that recording is what we're looking at right now. So you log on to Fit Colorado. You'll do an introduction, and it's got 3 trials. Then you can do the test or game to practice. So the first thing you do, we'll do a quick one. Um, Now, like all chemical reactions, we need to start with something. I don't know why they put zeros. We at least need to start with one of each. Remember, these are the reactants and this is the product. However, are they balanced? As you can see, we have 2 blue, nitrogen for 2, and hydrogen for 2. And when we go across the other side, it's not balanced. You could use one of these 2 tools, either that one. Hang on. There we go. That one. And as you can see, the nitrogens aren't balanced and the hydrogens aren't balanced. Or you may prefer this one here. So you can see we have 2, 2, 1, and 3. So obviously we need to increase the number of nitrogens in the product. Now you cannot change that formula as the gentleman explained. So you need to raise that. I'll let you continue on with that. I will do one from once you have trial the 3 of them, that's ammonia, water, and methane, then you can go and do the the game by just going down the bottom here, click on the game, and obviously you will start with level 1. I will start with a level 2, a little bit harder. So here we have, as I said, always need to start with 1, One thing I will advise when you do balance, always do oxygen last. And if you need some tools, I don't think they have tools. Oh, there you go. You have to do this all by yourself. So you look at the carbon. I would look at carbon. So you got one carbon on this side, and you got one carbon. That's excellent. You got four hydrogens on this side, only two on this side. So we need two of those. So we can do so. We got our four hydrogens. Now, as I said, check your oxygens last. You've got two on this side, but you've got four on this side. So we obviously need to change this to two. And now let's check. Four hydrogens, four hydrogens, four oxygens, four oxygens, and of course the one carbon. And then you can check. Hey, have yourself a happy day. Once you have practice of that for to the end of period four, which is remember 11:45, where you'll be going on to your next lesson. Have a great holidays, and I hope we don't have to go through this. But if we should not come back in term two, that will be the process. Bye.